तो आज मैं अपने बेस्टेस्ट पापा के लिए एक सरप्राइज लाई हूँ।
Happy birthday to you, Sonu. Happy birthday to you, Sonu. Happy birthday to you.
हाय भाई।
हाय भाई।
आपकी खिदमत में एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा गाना पेश करते हैं, प्ले किया जाए। भाई भाई
भला मोरी रामा, भला तोरी रामा, भला मोरी रामा, भला तोरी रामा, भला मोरी रामा, भला तोरी रामा, भला मोरी रामा, भला तोरी रामा।
भाई 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 भाई। So bhai, on your birthday, wishing you a very 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 happy birthday and we love you a lot.
Happy birthday bhai. You are a solution to all the problems in this world. Thank you for always being there. Lots of love. Happy birthday bhai.
Happy birthday, Mama. I think that this will be your special day forever, and you'll always remember this day because all your wishes will come true. Whatever you wish, it will come true this year.
Happy birthday! Yay!
Love you.
Love you!
We love you.
तुम्हें और क्या दूं मैं दिल के सिवाय, तुमको हमारी उम्र लग जाए, तुमको हमारी उम्र लग जाए।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jeeju. Happy birthday to you.
Roo, 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 roo.
Happy birthday, Jeeju.
Happy birthday, Jiju.
Happy birthday, Masaji.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jeeju. Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday, Jeeju.
Hey Jeeju, happy birthday. May you look younger with each passing year like you already do.
दीदी की जब शादी हुई थी ना जीजू, तब मेरे को लगता था कि मेरा कोई भाई नहीं है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे फिर दीदी की शादी हुई, सबकी शादी होती गई ना, आई गॉट 3 बिग ब्रदर्स. सो आई एम लाइक हाईली ब्लेस्ड and wish you many happy returns of the day once again. God
Happy
bless you.
birthday.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Abhishek, 28th August. When this day comes in my life, my heart gives a signal. Some important thing is there. You want to wish an important person in your life. You know who is that? Yes, it's Abhishek Jain. Many happy returns of the day, Abhishek. God bless you, my dear friend. Sorry, got it wrong. Not a friend. My best friend. I can state as per the age you are growing, the number of years is going. I think you have entered in 40s, but you are becoming young by your physical appearance. I think it's Achal's effort. I think I should ask Achal the secret behind this. So friend, I want to thank God for giving me such a good friend who is blessing for me and who always was there for me in my failures and success. We enjoyed the failures and success in our life. I remember the instances when we used to have a group study, when we roam around the city of Guna in cycle. I remember when we sit in the dargah and share our feelings. What a relaxed time was there. So I really want to thank God because you were there. So my life was very good and fruitful at that time. I remember that. The best part, after schooling also, we were in touch. Even though we were far, but you were always in my heart. I learned from you how a best friend should be. And if someone asks me, who is your best friend? Without a second thought, I always say, Abhishek Jain. I would thank God that He has kept you safe till day and protect you from all the diseases and accidents. Pray for your future years. God bless you more and more and be a blessing to your beautiful family and your friends. I like the quote of Muhammad Ali, what he says that friendship is the hardest thing in the world to explain. It's not something you learn in school, but you have learned the meaning of friendship. You really have learned anything. Thank you, Abhishek, for teaching me that friendship is very important part of my life. I always remember you till my last breath of my life because you are always in my memories and in my heart. And also thanks Achal for giving this opportunity and make this day special for Abhishek. Again, many happy returns of the day, Abhishek. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Hello Abhishek, how are you? Many happy returns of the day. याद है अभिषेक जब अपन लोग तुम कॉलोनी में आया करते थे, पीएचई कॉलोनी में, और मैं तुम्हारी साइकिल पर अपन दरगाह जाते थे गुरुवार के दिन। तब मैं सोचता था कि अब अपने को जब भी एक कार होगी अपने पास तो अपन लोग साथ में घूमने जाया करेंगे। अब तुम पर भी कार है, मुझ पर भी कार है, पर देखो मिलना मुश्किल है। अब तुम जल्दी से गुना आ जा, फिर अपन दोनों साथ में लॉन्ग ड्राइव।
Hi Abhishek, it's your birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Hope you are doing well. यार कितना टाइम हो चुका है, मिले हुए भी बस बातें ही रह जाती हैं यार, बस पुरानी यादों के साथ में. Hope you still remember our Pancharatna apartment when we were doing our masters. That flat number 502. Our room partners Anup, Rahul, Deepak and Bhavin Bhaiya and that Bhimsar and what's his name, Surekha, Adit Surekha. Hope you still remember them. और भी बहुत सारी यादें हैं यार, वक्त के साथ सब बदल रहा है. बस भाई तेरे बर्थडे पे एक बार और तुझे बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, बहुत बहुत बधाई. स्टे वेल. टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ एंड योर फैमिली भाई. Once again, many happy returns of the day. Bye. Take care.
Hi Abhishek, my big brother, my one of mentor, my friend. Your dreams stay big and your worries stay small. Happy birthday and have a wonderful day and wonderful year.
Happy birthday Abhishek. I hope you and your family members are doing well. I'm so happy to wish you on this special occasion. Whenever I think about Hyderabad, I remember about you and the days we spent in office and in personal life. It was such a good moment. You really helped me in a lot of ways, either it could be professional or personal. Wow. Thank you. Do you remember one day we went to a movie, Billy Babar? I didn't know anything about Hindi. You explained the entire story without enjoying the movie. Amazing. Also, I'm so lucky you visited my hometown for my marriage. And I got your wishes on that special day. Wow, thank you. Unfortunately, we were not able to continue in career life. But good thing, still we are driving as a good friend. Amazing. Thanks, Abhishek. I pray to God to give you a joyful and healthiest life and a success in your career ever. Thank you so much.
रुक जा हेलो हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू
हैप्पी बर्थडे अभिषेक भैया,
हैप्पी बर्थडे,
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
लेकिन ये अगस्त में कैसे आ गया बर्थडे? ये तो नवंबर में आता था ना।
2 बार आ गया है तो 2 बार पार्टी होगी अभिषेक भैया की तरफ से।
इस बार कोरोना के मारे आपने बर्थडे पहले प्लान कर लिया है,
ठीक है 2 बार पार्टी होगी।
लेकिन हम फिर भी पार्टी लेंगे। ये पार्टी। हैप्पी बर्थडे अभिषेक भाई, हैप्पी बर्थडे।